For question 9, vector B have a magnitude of 60 centimeters per second. What is the expression for this vector using units of meters per second? Let's go to where I solved it. So I draw this diagram right here. We know that this angle is 150 and this angle is 180, right? So if we do 180 degrees minus 150 degrees, we get 30 degrees. So this angle is 30 degrees. I already know that sine cosine, I memorized it. Sine cosine of 30 degrees is square root of 3 divided by 2 and 1 over 2. So this is x, this is y, and I also wrote here that sine corresponds to y and cosine right here, and cosine corresponds to x. So since we know that in this quarter of the diagram we have x negative, right, and y positive, that's why y is positive 1/2 and x is negative square root of 3 over 2. So if we imagine that this is a triangle with the angle 30 degrees, we can find how much is x and how big is y, right? And after this, we can find the line expression. So to find this part of the triangle, we can use sine. So we know that sine, let's do this. Sine of an angle equals opposite divided by adjacent. So if we look at the picture, if we want to find sine, we do opposite divided by adjacent, that is already known and is 60, it should be centimeters per second. So when we plug in adjacent is 60, we don't know the y, we can solve it. So to find by, we should multiply 60 by sine of 30 degrees. And as I already said, sine of 30 degrees, which is y, equals to 1/2. So it's going to be 60 times 1/2 equals 30 meters per second. So y part here, this part equals 30 centimeters per second. I'm sorry, centimeters, not meters. So now to find the x value right here, we need to do cosine.